Pressure-treated wood can hold up against rot for longer than non-PT wood, but to give it even more protection in life, I'm adding a Postsaver sleeve to it. This is a heat-shrinkable sleeve that is lined with tar so that as you shrink it around the post, it creates a water and airtight seal. Tell me that isn't awesome. I'm now adding one of these to every post I put into the ground. It only adds a few minutes to installation, but will give the post years of additional life. After applying the heat, I cool it off with water and then I'm ready to set it into the ground. The finishing touch is adding a post cap, which is also made by Fence Armor. These are made from galvanized steel so they will never rust, are incredibly easy to install or remove, and will help protect the post even further while giving it more character. They are the only post cap that will universally fit any 4x4. And the best part is you can either leave it as a plain cap or choose from a variety of finials to personalize a fence post, a lamp post, mailbox post, any post. It's worth mentioning that Fence Armor products are made in the US and Canada. Find a link in the description if you want to find out more about the products. Okay, and that is how I got power from an outlet way over there to way over there. My friends want the lamppost to accent a little pond they plan to install next. I think the post is adorable by itself, but once it's next to a pond, I think it will really come together even more. If you're wanting power somewhere detached from your house, then I hope this video gives you an idea on what's involved. It's straightforward, and even though there is some manual labor involved, this entire project only took a day to complete.